that were like Roman candle things.
Anytime when you're waiting, you could be firing off other things. And they can go off.
He doesn't like fireworks.
Oh, very cool. Yay! Yay!
Beautiful.
Yes, they are. Yay! Yay!
Oh, my
Oh, that's way cool! Woo! Yeah! I like it! I like it! Well, you know what? That's okay because it's been so wet, there's no worry about it catching anything on fire.
We only have one lighter, huh? I got one.
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Somebody else got a lighter?
All right, we're going to light
Yeah.
today.
Not if you're going to donate it to the
Is
cause.
it he or she?
Well, it's going that way.
But he's a puppy, right? He's only a year and a half. Yeah. Oh my God.
He's good.
And Brian says there would be no place to sit out here.
It's amazing. How did that work out?
Yeah.
Cool. I like it.
Don't wait for you guys.
Aw.
Oh
Thanks,
my
Joe.
God, those
Oh, it's a
fireworks.
fountain. It might light
I know.
up anyway, huh? It only
The car we were watching them from over there. Oh, what's this? Groundwork?
Yeah.
It's a fountain.
Well, they're part of any package, any fireworks package you buy has to have fountain. No matter
Connecticut, that's the only fireworks you're allowed to buy.
That's right, in Maryland.
Actually, in Virginia, too.
Package, and you think you're going to take home this exciting...
Oh, yeah.
It's all a bunch
Yeah.
of fountains.
And that's okay if that's all you
Yeah, but
have.
if I was a kid, you could have anything.
It's definitely a step above the sport.
Yes, they did.
Yeah, exactly.
You know? It's funny that you can buy fireworks in Pennsylvania.
They should be here.
Live in Pennsylvania. And you can't buy shit.
Really?
You can buy sparklers. Yeah, they sell them here.
I thought they
But if you
were.
live here, you can't buy them. You got to show your license.
You can buy them. You can't
You can't buy them.
You can only buy like fountains.
Yeah, you can't buy anything at the fireworks.
Yeah, no, you can buy something like this. So you can't buy bottle rockets.
Right, right. Or Lotus or whatever the other one is. Right. Yeah. Yeah. You have to show them your license. And if you're from Pennsylvania, you can buy fireworks. Yeah, you can sell them in Pennsylvania, but you can't buy them if you're a Pennsylvania resident. If you're from any other state in the union, you can buy them. It's crazy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yay!
Go up.
Beautiful.
Yay!
All right.
Okay, it's over.
No, it's
Okay, it's getting nice and dark now.
2 wheelbarrows left of the grand finale. Yeah.
Here, you can light this one, son. It's on the side.
Yeah, I've seen this. My son bought like $880 worth, and he thought he got $3,300 worth because they were like, buy one, get 2 free, which they always are. But he had like 2 shopping carts loads of...
Woo! Yay! Yay!
Oh! Give me a big driveway, right?
Woo!
Wow. Yeah,
Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo!
All right.
crazy. Yep. Careful.
I like it.
I love your
Somebody's going to jail tonight.
I love the fact that our
Yep.
cops
We might as well figure out right now who it's going to be.
It's not going to be one of us.
I won't be here.
Not
I
it.
see the blue light coming from that way, I'm gone. Yeah, you guys are on your own. You got some explaining to do.
Yeah, I always say, we told you.
They didn't always see it.
Somebody's got some explaining. And sorry we won't be here, but have Cindy send us a text message like tomorrow that we went to jail.
Woo! Yeah! sake, Brian, you're being paranoid.
That was crazy. It's better than your
I'm so glad that we've had such a wet summer.
Fireworks over here, and then every time one of them got done, the heat and lightning lit up the whole sky over here. It was wild. It was like competition. It was like 1 for 1.
Okay, that's another fountain.
This would have been the best place because then you wouldn't have seen all this trees getting ripped down behind you.
I tell you, the sound on this is going to be funny when it's edited.
We were trying to get her in the kitchen to the bathroom. Yeah. She's practicing. Yeah. And then he like takes that. So how did Bob
Like nail clippers, you have to use a lot.
But then you do it from the outside and then from the inside. Okay, and colorful. Wow.
That's very pretty.
It sure is.
Okay.
Yay!
Hey, at least you know where it's at.
7 miles
All right, there we go. Yay!
More.
Is it gas? Gas power? And it's like a little... Right?
Yeah. We knew that, didn't we? Yeah!
Yay!
Hell, they got it. At least 4 wheelbarrow loads.
Like every other year it's got like a thing, a big year.
Yeah.
Expecting that one. All right, yay!
Good thing they got that stuff staked down properly.
We did.
Good thing they read the directions this time. Isn't it?
Yeah, they did read the directions.
They read the directions.
Nobody says
Oh, it's still daylight. It would have been hell. Oh, yeah.
We would have had bowling lightning times about 10. Bowling lightning.
They come back here. We got like deodorant on, and I got like big puffy hair. Yeah, it was good. And aloe. We're trying not to rub it in. Yeah, we did. An air conditioning. That was huge. Like an hour of that. It was worth renting a hotel room even if you don't sleep there tonight. Just to do that. No matter how hot it is.
My shirt's going to be about done by the time I get back to the hotel room. The only thing this could get is washed.
Okay. No,
It's coming.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I hung it in there, hung my legs, and that was enough to pull my whole body off. Yeah. I mean, no, it's Chesapeake Bay, and it's kind of different because if you're stuck in the sun and it's like 90, you can jump into like 50.
probably the idea.
Well, yeah. You know what? thank God you survived that city, and now you got that big giant rock out front.
Yes, she does. She has a really nice rock in her garden. And it's actually a rock she wants in her garden.
And it's not a dream.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
My rock is in my garden.
Yeah. Hopefully nobody will like feel like a
personal
like a bad
If
joke.
they do, I'm going to be out
Like
for like 22.
Santa Claus comes back to repossess everything he ever gave you, and he just drags that rock off with his reindeer. Yeah, because they don't have any work this time of year. They can drag that rock off. He could bring like 72 reindeer down here to do it.
But he doesn't have 72 reindeer. That's why he needed a Rudolph.
And thank you, Brian, for all the cooking you did.
Oh, that was no problem. I enjoyed it. I wish people would have eaten more. I could have cooked like the whole thing today.
I didn't try to family burger.
Nobody ate. Nobody really ate. It was kind of hot.
There you go.
Yeah, I can't eat a whole lot when it's hot myself.
3 people came up and said they wanted a sandwich.
Yay!
I wish I had one of those boat horns.
No.
Yeah, just so I could.
It might have been. My ears are ringing. That's a jinx thing.
Just leave it. I'll shoot off another couple of...
Oh, no, that's
We want more. We want more. We want more.
I think they have plenty more.
No.
They had like whole piles over there, which was kind of scary.
Yeah, oh, I can imagine. Yeah.
And somehow I don't think we've gone through all of them.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go inside and watch Doppler radar. Oh, sorry, there's no power. That's the first thing I would think about in a tornado situation. Yeah, cheesy crackers. Yeah,
Grab cheese and crackers and wine.
and a good video. Something to take your mind off.
Wait a minute. If you got no electricity, how would you relay a video?
You got generators. You got a GPS system. Yeah. Oh yeah,
That's true. You could put it on your laptop, I suppose.
probably. Probably watch it on your phone nowadays if you have the right phone. And
That's
your
true,
iPhone
too.
is really good.
That's true. I have HBO Go on my phone. I can actually watch HBO shows on my phone.
Oh yeah.
Yay! Woo!
Yeah. About this time. What are you guys doing down there? Need a flashlight?
Brian?
That's an obvious question.
Go down there and check it. Hey, Brian, let's see. If I didn't have a flashlight and a lighter, I wouldn't even suggest that. Brian, shut up.
Hey, I'll be right down.
I'll be right down.
Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Woo! Yay! That was good.
I'm coming down there now.
I think I have all this audio on here, too.
I know I have audio on this. It's going to be silly.
Yep. My name is Guido Sarducci.
Starts out with Cindy saying she wants to fart.
Yep. Find the Coke and the pizza. Remember that? Hey, what's Helen Keller down there lighting fireworks?
Oh, jeez, Brian. Crying out loud.
I'm going to roll now.
You started it.
There we go. Yay! There we go. Yay!